Hi everyone, welcome back to the online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I'm Sabida Joseph, your English teacher. Dear students, today we'll see the explanation for all the question answers from lesson 2, the Turkish cap. So watch the video and understand. So let's start. This is the first comprehension activity in your textbook, page number 16. Students, you have to read all these sentences and you have to mark the statements as true or not true. So do it by yourself. After that, check the answer key which is attached in the Google Classroom. And the answer keys for all the question answers also attached in the Google Classroom. You have to download it, write in your notebook. Okay. Question number 1. Why don't you play in your school compound? Who said these words and to whom? Who said these words? Yes, the man with the Turkish cap said these words to the narrator and his friends. B. What was the tone of the speaker? Is he angry or happy? Yes, he is very angry. So the answer is the speaker was angry. His tone seemed to be accusing the boys. Accusing means blaming. C. Who couldn't play in the school compound and why? Yes, the boys couldn't play in the school compound because it was very small. That's why they played in the school compound. So these are the answers for these questions. Let's see the next question. What a stroke! Who said this and to whom? Whose dialogue is this? Yes, the principal, Mr. Ahmed, said this to the narrator and his friends. B. Explain how the mood in the room changed after this dialogue. Yes, after this dialogue, what happened? The students were relaxed, isn't it? So the answer is after this dialogue, the boys were relaxed and started smiling because up until now they believed that they were going to be heavily punished by Mr. Ahmed. Isn't it? Yes, they believed that after that incident, they believed they'll get the punishment from the principal. But when principal praised them like what a stroke, they were relaxed and happy. Next question. What do these words tell you about the speaker? These words, that means this dialogue, what a stroke, tell us that Mr. Ahmed had a good sense of humor. He knew that it was a mistake from the boys, but he put them at ease by praising the shot. Yes, Mr. Ahmed knew that the boys did the mistake, but he found a thing to praise them, so he praised them. Third question. The students feared and respected the principal, Mr. Ahmed. Take lines from the text to support this statement. So the question is to find out the sentences or dialogues which showing the students' respect towards their principal. The answer: the students feared and respected Principal Ahmed. When the man threatens to go to the principal, the narrator says, "We are all scared of the principal, Mr. Ahmed." So this sentence showing that the narrator and other boys, they feared the principal. When Mr. Ahmed asked the question, no one could say a word. The narrator's heart was beating with fear. So in principal room also the boys were scared. Then the boys do not want to laugh when Mr. Ahmed exclaims, "What a stroke!" So that was another incident when the principal praised about their stroke. No one could laugh because of the principal's reaction. They want to laugh, but they didn't laugh because they respected their principal. So these all incidents showing that the students or the boys respect and fear their principal, Mr. Ahmed. Question number 4. At the end of the story, the man with the Turkish cap also smiled and looked amused. Why do you think he reacted this way? How is this reaction different from his reaction at the time of the incident? So we can see at the beginning the Turkish man was very angry, but at the end the man was a little bit amused and he was happy. So they are asking why it is like that. Let's see the answer. The man smiled and amused at the end. Why? Because the boys apologized to the man by the instruction of their principal, and at the same time the principal appreciated the boys for their stroke. So the man was amused with the reaction of this principal. And the man's reaction is also different. At the beginning, he was angry, but when the boys apologized, he was no longer angry, isn't it? At the beginning, when the gilly hit the man's cap, he was angry with the boys, but at the end, when the boys apologized at him, he was no longer angry and he was happy. The next section is think and answer. There are 2 questions in that section. Let us see the first question. Do you think the principal's decision not to punish the boys was a good idea? Give reasons to support your answer. The answer: yes, I think the principal's decision not to punish the boys was right. The boys were respectful to both the principal and the man with the Turkish cap, isn't it? The boys were very respectful towards that principal and the Turkish man because they are ready to say sorry, isn't it? They had apologized to the man on the playground. The principal asked them to once again apologize to the man because he understood that the man was angry. But at the same time, the principal also believed that the boys did not do it on purpose and that they were genuinely sorry. So we can see these boys are very honest because they apologized the man at the ground, and when they are in the principal room also they apologize to the man in front of their principal. And the principal believed that the boys did not do it on purpose and he don't want to punish them. So we can say yes, that the principal decision not to punish the boys was right. The second question in this session is, do you think the man in the Turkish cap was right to be angry with the boys? Why or why not? So the man was angry at the beginning. The question is, do you think the man in the Turkish cap was right to be angry with the boys? Let's see the answer. I think the man reacted with too much anger to a simple mistake from the boys. The gilly did not knock off his cap, but it did not hurt him at all. He had a right to be angry, but not so angry that even after the boys apologized several times, he still went on and complained to the principal. He might have been hiding his embarrassment with anger. Embarrassment means a self-consciousness or a shame. So the man with that Turkish cap, he was very angry for this incident. Even the boys said sorry, he was angry and he went to complain at the principal's office. So that can be avoided. Students, I know you may have different opinions about this incident. Maybe students, you may feel that it is a right decision to complain about the boys at the principal, or some other students may not have that kind of opinion. But whatever it is, this is a suggested answer. You can write your own opinion. Okay. So that's all answers for the questions in our textbook. So write the answers in your notebook. For the next class, you need to study this 6 new word and its meaning. So study well. You'll have a test paper for the next class. So thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.